Hello everyone, welcome to EWM Coach channel. This particular series I am creating for the support related incidents. So during the time of support phase, whatever errors we are getting in the queues, that we are going to see, and I am going to particularly discuss those errors which are generally coming in every support project, and out of which in today's session we are going to cover this particular error message. This posting only possible in periods from one period to another period, and in I will just explain this in SAP system why this error is coming in the first place and how to resolve this issue in SAP EWM system. Okay, so let me go to the EWM system. Yeah, so basically this kind of errors we can able to see in queues. So to see the error message in queues, we are particularly going to the transaction SMQ2. Also we can able to see the queue error message in monitor transaction. So let me go to slash in SMQ2 first, and this error is particularly appearing for specific kind of deliveries when we are doing the goods issue posting or goods receive posting from the EWM side, and that moment we face this kind of issues. So currently let me just search with reference to this delivery number. Yeah, so this is my queue name, and currently it is with the status as system fail, and there are three entries, LUWs, logical unit of work. If I double click on, and you can able to see the first queue LUW is stock with this error message. So if I double click on it, you can able to see this is saying the posting is only possible in this period to 26/3 to 26/2 in company code 281 and for this particular delivery. So let us understand why this error come in first place and why it is not able to process. So let me first show you the delivery. So when we are creating any deliveries in the S4 side, it is distributing to the EWM side, and from EWM side we are doing the goods receipt posting or goods issue posting. So after doing the goods issue or goods receipt posting, again this information is passing to S4 side and it is updating the S4 side delivery. But if due to some reason that is got stuck in the queue, and that queue is from, let's say, last month, and it was not able to, we are not able to solve the error message for that queue, then in the next month the error message will appear as posting period issue, because the posting period for the February month, that is closed now, and that queue is from the February month, because if I go back one step, you can see it is not from February, it is from the last 2025, and now that the posting period date is closed, we cannot able to post this process these queues. Also let me show you the posting periods, current posting period date, so that it will easy for us to understand. MMPP, maybe I'll go to the MMRP. So I'll provide my company code and hit enter. So you can see the previous period was February, which is already closed, and the current period is March. And whatever postings from the previous periods, it is not going to post in the system. It will always gonna stock in the queue. But if you ask me why it was not processed in this page, maybe this queue was stocked due to some other error message, and later they solved it, but they solved it on this current period, March period, not in the February period. That's why it is still showing this particular error message. Okay, so now the question is how we can solve this issue, how we can clear this issue. And also let me also show you this process, because we need to um, change the current period to March 26, then only we can reprocess the queue. If I go inside the queue, it is containing the posting date and document date details inside of it, and we need to somehow change that in the runtime, so that this queue will process and it will post on this particular month. So to do that, you need to select this. Okay, and we need to just click on debug LUW. Okay, and here we are going to set a breakpoint at a particular function module. That particular function module is containing a variable which is holding the date details. Okay, so if I need to click on this breakpoint at function module. So we are setting this breakpoint at function module, right? And we are specifically using a function module MB create goods moment, right? So once you provide this function module, I'm also going to provide this function module name in the description for your use. Then we just need to click on continue, and here we need to click on continue or execute option, so that system will stop at that point itself, that function module point itself. Okay, so now you can see it we just set the point at that function module, so system got stuck at that particular point itself. And also you can see from the right side of your screen MB50, and this is your point. And here we are using this particular um, variable imkpf in order to change the dates. So we need to double click on this variable, and you can see this variable is appearing in my right side of the screen, and I need to double click on it. So you can see there are two dates coming, that is BLDAT and BUDAT. So we need to change the BLDAT and BUDAT. Okay, so but before that, let me show you the delivery status, so that once we process the queue, and then we will understand what changes happened in the delivery. And let me go to the delivery in the EW export side first. AVL33N will provide our particular delivery number and enter. So here you can see delivery was distributed, therefore display only. And if I go to the status overview, nothing has been completed. So the goods movement status is not done, even though we have completed the goods receipt posting from the EWM side, because it is stocked in queue. Once the queue will process, what it will do, it will just update this goods movement status to C, from A to C. And also let me show you this delivery from EWM side, PRDI, and here we will provide this delivery number and execute. Yeah, so here you can see the goods receipt is completed from EWM side. So like when the GR is completed, the PPF action is triggered, and this information, this goods receipt posting information is passing to the export side for the delivery of export side update. Okay, but it did not happen, it's stuck in a queue. So now what we will do, we will change the date in this particular runtime. Okay, I'll just click on this edit option and provide the date to current posting year, current open period. So currently it is 26. I'll provide the March, and it's like today's date is 21, and let me just put it 21. The only problem will be like the when we are providing the today's date, it is going to post as a today's date. When it will process, we will check the material document, and also we need to change this value, right? And once we do the changes, we need to hit enter, so that it will accept those values, and need to click on this execute button, continue button again. So you can see my first logical unit of work, the first LUW is processed now. So the next one is we need to complete it for the second one. So let me refresh it if it is processing or it is giving there. Okay, so it is still giving the error message, so that I will do the same thing for the second one. Maybe I'll do the same thing for the third one as well. Okay, again breakpoint at function module, right? We'll provide the function module name. We'll click on OK. Then we'll click on this one. Then we can also type directly the imkpf if we know the variable name. Double click on it. We'll change this value to today's date, right? And hit enter. Just click on execute. So the second queue got processed as well. Let me refresh it. Even for the third one, we need to do the same thing. So let me quickly do this. Breakpoint at function module again, and ta-da. IMKPF, double click on it. So here I can just provide the date for today's, hit enter and execute. Okay, so this is some issues, some other issues appeared, but the posting period issue is not exist anymore. But the thing is, like, if you solve this issue kind of thing, then after changing the posting period date, this queue will also process, but it just talk with some other message. But let me see what changes happen, because we just process two queues, right? And let me go inside again, status overview. So I think those two queues are only to update the packing status and to go to the document flow. If, let's see if something has posted. So it's like 21/3/26 something has posted. You see the goods receipt. I think the first queue was for goods receipt posting. The second queue was for goods receipt reversal. And the third queue is change the HU status, whatever the HU was used during the goods receipt. So, but if I go to the display documents, this is the two metal documents that got posted, and you can see the document date and posting date are, today's date, even though the goods received posting happened in 2025. So that is how, you know things are working when we are getting such error message. Yeah, thank you everyone for watching this video. Please let me know your queries through comment section. Only change the posting period dates during the time of that error message. For other error message, if the configs are correct, it will not give the other error message. Okay, if we are following the standard business process, we'll connect again with another video, and I'll create another support related video for you. Thank you. Bye bye.